Right now, while you watch this video, your liver is doing more than 500 different jobs at the same time. Filtering your blood, storing energy, manufacturing proteins your body cannot live without. And it never asks for credit. This is the story of the most overlooked organ in your body. Your liver is the largest internal organ you have. It sits just below your right lung, weighing about 3 pounds in the average adult. From the outside, it looks unremarkable, a smooth reddish-brown wedge. But what happens inside it every second of your life is one of the most complex biochemical operations in the natural world. The liver receives almost all of the blood from your digestive system before it goes anywhere else. Every nutrient you absorb, every toxin you swallow, every drug you take, it all flows through the liver first, like a customs checkpoint between the outside world and the rest of your body. Inside the liver, blood flows through millions of tiny chambers called sinusoids. Lining those chambers are specialized cells called hepatocytes. There are roughly 200 billion of them in your liver, each one a microscopic factory. Hepatocytes do most of the work. They break down old red blood cells. They store iron and vitamins. They package fat for transport. They produce bile to digest your meals. They synthesize albumin, a protein that keeps your blood from leaking out of your vessels. Without albumin from your liver, you would swell and die within days. The liver also fights poisons. Every alcohol molecule, every prescription drug, every environmental toxin you inhale or absorb, most of them are broken down by liver enzymes in a process called biotransformation. 2,000 different chemicals can be processed by your liver every day. Here is what makes the liver almost unique in your body. If you lose part of it, to surgery, to injury, even to disease, the remaining cells can regenerate the missing portion. Up to 75% of the liver can be removed, and within months it grows back to nearly its original size. No other major internal organ does this. Your heart cannot regrow. Your brain cannot regrow. Your kidneys cannot regrow. Only the liver. Scientists are still trying to understand exactly how it does this, and how to harness that ability to repair other organs. But the liver has limits. While it can recover from acute damage remarkably well, sustained chronic damage causes it to scar. That scarring is called cirrhosis. And once cirrhosis is widespread, regeneration stops working. The scar tissue replaces the healthy hepatocytes, and the liver can no longer do its hundreds of jobs. The leading causes of cirrhosis are well known: chronic alcohol consumption, viral hepatitis, and increasingly, a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, caused by sustained high sugar intake, obesity, and metabolic dysfunction. This condition now affects roughly 1 in 4 adults globally. The frightening part is how silent liver disease is. The liver has no pain receptors of its own. You can lose up to 80% of your liver function before you notice any symptoms at all. By the time fatigue, yellow skin, or abdominal swelling appear, the damage is often advanced. This is why blood tests for liver function, called liver enzymes, are so important. They can catch damage years before symptoms appear. If you have never had your liver enzymes checked, ask your doctor at your next appointment. It is a simple blood draw. The good news is this: your liver responds to lifestyle changes faster than almost any other organ. Reducing alcohol intake, eating fewer ultra-processed foods, getting regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and getting enough sleep. All of these can measurably improve liver health within weeks to months. Your liver is the only organ you have that can come back from the brink if you give it the chance. It does not ask for much, just less of what damages it. Right now, while you are watching this, it is forgiving every mistake you have made. The question is whether you let it keep forgiving. The most underappreciated organ in your body has been saving your life since the day you were born. The least you can do is remember it is there.